Hello guys, welcome to my channel where it goes about fitness, healthy food and something more. And in this video I want to show you some maybe not really healthy food, but this snack is so delicious that it is worth all your calories, believe me or not. Here is a new Natural Valley oat bar, actually two of them in two different flavors with the peanut butter inside. I'm in heaven. Let's check them out. And here we go with that Nature Valley nut butter in flavor peanut and coca hazelnut. So I want to show you really quick that ingredients. So here is macros of peanut flavor and the one of coca hazelnut. And now let's unwrap them and make those taste tests. So yeah, they're really high in calories, but trust me, this thing is worth it. No doubt. So here we go with the nut butter. And the coca hazelnut. So, nut butter. Again, already getting water in my mouth. Because, guys, this is a shit. You know that oat cookies? Like that Swedish, Danish oatmeal cookies, oat cookies. Now imagine putting peanut butter between them, and this is exactly that. Holy shit. This is a 10 out of 10. And the cocoa butter. Woo! Wow! Oh guys, that's fire! Holy shit, it's delicious. This is also good, just because I like peanut one more. I'm giving this one 9 out of 10, but they are both great, both worth it. It's just a killer. So good. If you enjoyed this review, guys, don't forget your thumb up, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you still didn't. I will see you in the next video. Have a good time, delicious snacks, and goodbye.